Gupta from Bodycraft Spa and Salon, Bangalore. First time I'm attending SMC, and I think it's a beautiful platform what's been started, where we are meeting all the like-minded people who are in this profession, and it's giving great opportunity to all of us to meet and share our notes and our experiences. For the future, I feel it would be a very nice opportunity for all of us to meet new introductions in our field, sharing our knowledge with each other, updating all the new products which are coming to this industry, and I think it's great opportunity for India and for all of us to participate in this and learn more and more. Thank you.